Welcome to this video on Git Reflog. Today, we are going to explore how to recover lost commits and branches using Git Reflog. So, what exactly is Git Reflog? Git Reflog is a safety mechanism that records updates to the tip of branches and other references in the local repository. It maintains a history of head updates, including commits, resets, merges, rebases, and checkouts. Unlike Git Log, Reflog is local only and not shared when pushing to remote repositories. It's your personal safety net for accidental changes. Let's explore some basic Reflog commands. To view the entire Reflog history, use the command Git Reflog. This shows all head movements, including commits, resets, and checkouts. If you want to see the Reflog for a specific branch or reference instead of head, use Git Reflog Show Branch Name. To limit the number of entries displayed, use Git Reflog -N5 to show only the most recent 5 entries. Finally, for better readability, you can use formatted output with the command Git Reflog $pretty equals 1 line. Now let's see how to recover lost commits. First, consider the scenario of an accidental reset. If you accidentally reset to an earlier commit using git reset $hardhead -3, you can find the lost commit in the reflog. Run git reflog and look for the commit before the reset. Then, restore to that commit using git reset $hardhead at 1. In another scenario, if you need a specific lost commit, run git reflog to find the commit hash. Then use git cherrypick followed by the commit hash, such as git cherrypick D8F3C21, or use the reflog reference directly, like git cherrypick head at 2. Let's look at recovering deleted branches. If you accidentally delete a branch, here's how to restore it. First, find the deleted branch tip by using reflog to locate the last commit of your deleted branch. Look for checkout or commit operations related to your branch name. Second, create a new branch by using the commit hash or reflog reference to create a new branch pointing to that commit. Finally, verify the recovery by checking that the new branch contains all the expected commits and changes from your deleted branch. For example, if you accidentally delete a branch with the command git branch -d feature -branch, you can find the deleted branch in the reflog. Then, recreate the branch at its last commit using git checkout -b feature -branch restored 3dfc68a, or using the reflog reference git checkout -b feature -branch restored head at 1. Now let's discuss how to undo a rebase or merge. If you've performed a rebase that went wrong, you can use reflog to return to the state before the rebase started. To find the state before the rebase, run git reflog and look for the checkout operation related to your branch. Then, reset to the commit before the rebase started using git reset $hardhead at 3. If you've merged branches and need to undo the merge, reflog can help you find the pre-merge state. Run git reflog and look for the checkout before the merge. Reset to before the merge using git reset $hardhead at 1. Alternatively, you can use git reset $hard orig_head, which points to the pre-merge state. Let's explore some advanced reflog techniques. To find commits from a specific time, use git reflog $date equals ISO. To recover state from yesterday, use git reflog $since equals 1 day ago. To find the state at a specific date and time, use git reflog $until equals 2023-10-1514:30:00. You can customize the reflog output format to show exactly the information you need by using git reflog $pretty equals format $h_%gd_%ci_%s. To show author information, use git reflog $pretty equals format $h_%gd_%an-%s. To clean up old reflog entries to reduce repository size and improve performance, use git reflog expire $expire equals 90.days.ago. Finally, to compare current state with the previous state, use git diff head at 0 head at 1. To compare with the state from 2 hours ago, use git diff head at 0 single quote head at 2 hours ago single quote. Let's go over some best practices for using Git Reflog effectively. Firstly, write descriptive commit messages. Clear commit messages make it easier to identify important commits in the reflog. Include keywords that will help you find specific changes later. Secondly, commit frequently. More commits mean more recovery points in your reflog. Make small, focused commits to create a detailed history that's easier to navigate. Thirdly, act quickly after mistakes. The sooner you use reflog to recover from a mistake, the easier it will be. Recent reflog entries are easier to identify and less likely to be garbage collected. Fourthly, verify before resetting. Before resetting to a reflog entry, use git show or git diff to verify it's the correct state. This prevents compounding mistakes. Fifthly, adjust reflog expiration. For critical projects, consider extending the default reflog expiration time, 90 days, to give yourself a longer recovery window. Lastly, use custom aliases. Create Git aliases for common reflog operations to make recovery faster and easier when you need it most. In summary, Git Reflog is your safety net for recovering lost commits, branches, and undoing problematic operations. Reflog entries are local only and expire after 90 days by default. Use Git Reflog to view the history of head movements in your repository. Recover lost work with Git Checkout, Git Reset, or Git Cherry Pick using reflog references. Write descriptive commit messages and commit frequently to make reflog more useful. For further resources, refer to the official Git documentation, the Pro Git book, interactive Git learning platforms, and advanced Git techniques resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.